Hello children, now 5th class mathematics 13th chapter fractions. Fractions page number 130 exercise problems having no exercise problems. See children, first bit the figures given below have been divided into equal parts. What part of each figure has been shaded? So shaded part, how many parts are there? So write the denominator place. How many parts will shading? That write the numerator place. Already I will explain in the previous classes. You will be write that. So second one also same. Second bit also same like that only. We are giving some figures, but fraction only given, not given shading. So you only do that. How much part? What is the numerator place? That part only you will be shaded. Understand? Next to third question, right children, in that page only having no third question. Govind bought 12 kgs potatoes. 2 by 3 of the potatoes were big and 1 by 3 of them were small. How many kgs of potatoes were big? So here Govind bought how many kgs of potatoes? Third one. Write that question children. Write that question. Quantity of potatoes. So why we are taking quantity? Kgs, no? Kgs we are using quantity. So liters capacity. Quantity of potatoes. Potatoes. Bought by Govind. Bought by Govind. How many? How many kgs of potatoes? Govind. 12. 12 kgs. So next, so how much part big potatoes? Number of part big potatoes. Big potatoes. Two by three part. 2 by 3 part. See here, number of big potatoes. Number of big potatoes. So here 12. 12 into already, you know children, in 4th class too already you are learning now which like we are using this like problem 2 by 3. 12 into 2 by 3. So we will cut it now. 3 1 by 3, 3 4 the 12, 4 2 the 8. Therefore, 8 kgs of potatoes. 8 kgs of potatoes were big. How many kgs of potatoes? 8 kgs of potatoes are big. Note down this. Next, 4th one, see here children. Usman cycled 7 by 10 of the distance from home to school. The rest of the distance he walked. So what part of the distance does he walk? So total 10 parts. Given no? So 7 parts only he will distance with cycle. So remaining part 10 minus 7. 3 only now? Okay, do that. Okay, for the problem you will do. 5th question, right children? Note down first this. One day has 24 hours. If sleeps for 1/3 part of a day, studies and works 1/2 part of a day, and plays for 1/6 part of day. So then how many hours does he spend in each these activities? So they are given the fraction only, no? We are converting to number. Okay. So one day equals to how many hours? One day equals to 24 hours, no? 24 hours. One day equals to 24 hours. Part of hours. He slept. Hours part he slept 1/3 part. 1/3 part. Number of hours. So they are given part of hours only given, a fraction only given. So we are converting to number. Number of hours of number of the day. Sorry. Of the day. He slept. Of the day. He slept. Hours part? See. So total 24 hours, no? So one day to 24 hours. So 1/3 part. See here. In 1/3. So in 3 table to came 24. 3 8 is 24, no? 8. So 8 into 1, 8. 8 hours. 8 hours they slept. Next 1/2 part of the studies and works. Studies and works. Number of part, okay. Number of part. Sorry. Note of this. See here, 8 hours. Next. Part of the day. We use studies and works. Studies and works. So how much hours? How much parts? How much part? Studies and works. 1/2 part. 1/2 part. So how many hours 1/2 part means? Number of hours. Number of hours we spent on studies and work. Studies and work. How many hours? See here. So total 24 hours, no? 24 into 1/2. 24 into 1/2. So it means how much it is? 2 1 2. 2 1 2. 2 2 4. 2 2 12 1 12. So 12 hours. 12 hours. So next one. part of the day he uses play. So how much part he uses for playing? 1/6 part. 1/6 part. So 1/6 part only uses for playing. See here, 1/6 part. So how many hours? See here, number of hours spent on playing. So playing to 24 hours total. 24 into 1/6. See here, cutting will came in easy, no? 24 into 1/6. 6 1 is 6, 6 4 is 24. So 4 1 is 4. 4 hours. So 4 hours only he will playing, and 12 hours only studies and work, and 8 hours only he will sleep. Understand? Note down this, children. Next, 6th question, see children. Earrings weigh 32 grams. If 7/8 part of the weight is silver, then how many grams of silver is there in the earring? So 7/8 part. Same you will do now like this. I am giving some hint only, children. Do your only that. 32 into 7/8. You will do this. The answer will be came. Okay. Next one, 7th one also. 32. A class has 32 students. 3/4 part of them are boys. How many boys are there in class? You will do that. 8 also you will do, children. So 7th one like this only, same you will keep and cut it. 8th one, Radha read 1/6 part of her book morning, 3/6 part evening. So 1/6 part and 3/6 part. 1/6 part and 3/6 part. You will add it. How much it is? So like this only you will do that. Okay. Next, 9th question, right children? 9th one. So keep that hints. Write down that. See here, 9th one. John gave his friends 2/5 part of the cake. How much was left with him? So total whole cake, 1 part only, now 1 part. So part of the cake, part of the cake. Part of the cake he gave to his friends. He gave to his friends. So how much part is gave 2/5 part. 2/5 part only he gave. So how much part left? Part. See here, 1 minus 2/5. 1 minus 2/5. Total part 1. So minus 2/5. So here how many parts to dividing in that piece? 5 pieces. 5 pieces. How many pieces to dividing? 5 are given now denominator. Denominator 5 means we are taking 5 parts. 5 parts. 5 parts. So 1 minus, so total whole part only now, whole parts means 5/5. 5/5 minus 2/5. Understand why we are taking 5/5? Whole part means 1 part only now, 5/5. So here, so denominator is same now. First of all, denominator. So numerator will subtract. 5 minus 2. 3/5. 3/5 part only left. therefore 3/5 part of the cake left. Understand now? Okay children, write down. Note down children. Okay children, 10th problem. When Abdullah climbed up 3/4 of tree, how much was left to climb? So you will be do that same like 9th problem only, no? 11th one. John bought 12 apples from the market. He and his family ate 5/12 part of the apples and 3/12 part of apples got spoiled. So how many apples are left? Write as fractional numbers. So number of apples bought from the market. How many apples? 12 apples. So he and his family ate number of the part apples he and his family ate. So how much part? 5/12 part. 5/12 part apple he and his family ate. See here, 3/12 part of the apples got spoiled. So number of the part apples got spoiled. 3/12. So how many apples are left? How many apples are left? So first of all, we will do this addition. These two only added. Then afterwards, we will find out the how many apples are left. Write down that. Total utilizer part of the apples. How many parts of the apples used? 5/12 and 3/12. 5/12 plus 3/12. So in previous problem I will explain now. Denominator is equal only now. See here, numerator will add. 5 plus 3, 8. 8/12. 8/12 part only they are using. Number of the part apples left. So how much part apples left? See your total 1 part only now. So 1 minus 8/12. So since 1 equals to 12/12. So in the previous problem we will do now 1 equals to 5/5. That whole part 5. Why we are taking 12? So here denominator is 12 only now. So 12 parts to will divide it. So 1 minus 8/12. So 12/12 minus 8/12. So denominator is same. 12 minus 8. 4/12 part apples only left. Note down children this. Write down all of you. Understand? Fractional. Write as a fractional number. So 4/12. 12 part left. Understand? Next. See, remaining problems also same like that only having children. Mohan got 2 by 5 part of chocolate, Renuka 3 by 5 part. So who got more? So which one is more? Very easy, no? Which one is more? 2 by 5 or 3 by 5? So in which fraction is big one? Which fraction is greater? That one only more, no? So it will be right. Same remaining also. 13th. Hari spent 3 by 4 part of his pocket money on Sunday and 1 by 4 part of his pocket money on Monday. So on which day he spent more? So which day he spent more? 3 by 4 or 1 by 4? So which one is greater fraction? You will keep. You will write that. Okay? Next 14th one. Abhishek finished 7 by 12 part of his homework on Saturday, 3 by 12 part of on Sunday. So 7 by 12 Saturday, 3 by 12 Sunday. So what part of the homework finished in 2 days? 7 plus 3. How much? 10 by 12 total. So how much left? Same. This like only having no 1 minus 10 by 12. So 2 by 12 part only. So in remaining problems also you will do like that only now. 16th one. Problem. Rama bought 3 by 4 kgs of apples from the market. Number of part of the kgs apples Ramu bought. How much? 3 by 4. 3 by 4 kgs only he bought. 1 by 4 he gave number of pot apples he gave to his brother. So how much part his brother do? So 1 by 4 part. 1 by 4 part only he gave to his brother. So what part of the apples are left? Part of the apples are left. See here. 3 by 4, 1 by 4. 3 by 4, 1 by 4. So denominator is equal only now. 3 by 4, I am writing this clearly. So 4, 3 minus 1, 2 by 4. 2 by 4. So you will cut it now. 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, 1 by 2. So this is the answer. Okay children. So write down, practice it, remaining problems also you will do. Okay children, bye.